Welcome to Alexander's Cards and Collectibles. I'm going to be opening my first ever box of Series 2 2018-19 Upper Deck Hockey. It says get 6 Young Guns rookie cards per box. So let's get started. National. If you didn't see my video where I opened the National Hockey Card Day, here it is. These are the packs that you can get. I'm not ripping the box. You'll see. Like this. Okay. Oh, I got 2 packs. Okay, let's see where the insert card is. I'm just going to be showing the insert of something in there. Okay. We got a Dennis Choisley Marquee rookies for the Red Wings. We got a rookie portrait of Philip Henskirk for the Red Wings. We finally got a Young Guns card. Okay, we got a Young Guns card of Henrik Borgstrom, I think, for the Panthers Young Guns card. Fourth pack. It says hobby on all the packs. You see, look, it's hobby. Okay. Hooray! Another Young Gun. We got a Young Guns card of Joey Anderson. For a Young Guns card of Joey Anderson for the Devils. another portrait. We got a portrait card of Evan Burchard. Portrait card for the Oilers. We got a third portrait. We got a third portrait card of Matthew Joseph for the Lightning. It looks like it says Matthew, but it's spelled a little wrong, so I don't know if it's Matthew. Oh. I was trying to grab Paxton with garbage can by accident. Hooray! We got a Auntie Sumblet for the Sharks. Lockwood rookies for the Sharks. It feels like it's a Kansas card. I don't know if it's a Kansas or a Mercury rookie. We're getting a lot of Golden Knight cards here. There's another portrait card. Just too many portraits. We have a Brett Howden portrait card for the Rangers. This is our 9th pack. Wait, was this on the 5th? Yeah. It's usually the card is usually on the 4th, but this one was on the 5th. Hooray! We got a Young Guns card of Jacob Zarbold for the Bruins. Young Guns card. None of these are numbered. Like mostly it's numbered. Maybe no cards are numbered. Or there can just be a regular insert card. Maybe that's numbered. Oh, wait, you know how I said that the Mercury rookies, I think they're Kansas? No, these are Kansas cards. So instead of John Tavares for the Maple Leafs, it's Kansas card. Kansas. There. Oh wait, this is an insert card. The John Travis was an insert card. Okay. So we got a Patrick Maroon Kansas card for the St. Louis Blues. Okay. That was just two packs in a row. We got Kansas. I mean. Oh, we got a canvas of Mike Hoffman for the Florida Panthers. It looks like it's ruined, but it's not. It's just because it's snow. Okay. I got a lot of cards in the regular stack. We got a Young Guns card of Jacob McDonald for the Florida Panthers. Young Guns. No. Just put it right there. Okay. Okay. Hey, we got on the 5th card again. Okay, we got another Young Guns. So we got Young Guns card of Gavin Bayreuther. Young Guns for the Stars. It's getting cold here. You can see through the card. We got a Young Guns card of Eric Robinson. Young Guns card. And as you can see me. Look. I'm inside the card. So you can see through it. And it's like way more bendier than normal. Wait 1 second. I'm just gonna sort the cards really fast. The Kansas. 1 second. It's gonna take me 1 second to do this. Young Guns, Kansas. Oh, here. Last Young Gun. And we got the portraits. And then we got the other cards. Okay. 1 second, just waiting for 1 last second. And then we got the last one. Okay. Now let's go to the next pack. Keeps getting ruined. Okay. We got a canvas card of Jonathan Marshall. So, and it looks like getting out of his car or a limo or something. I think so. There's one pack on after this, and then there'll be one more pack in each stack. Okay. They got Kansas Young Guns of Jacob Zorthwell for the Bruins. Last pack in, and then there'll be one card in each stack. We have a Young Guns card of Dominic Trogan. Oh, this is like the first numbered card. Out of 64. So this is the 64th card, and then it's out of 100 for the Red Wings, Young Guns. We have a Shelterland Dries McQueen rookies for the Colorado Avalanche. Right here. Okay. After this, 2 more packs. Okay. This is like a card that you haven't seen yet. It's pretty much the same, but not full. McQueen rookies. Recru Blend. Wait, no. Drisbury Cotlin. No, Cotlin for the Canadians. So pretty much the same exact thing. Same exact card, except they're different. So I'll count that as same, but in a different stack. Okay. We got a Young Guns card of Sam Steele for the Anaheim Ducks, Young Guns. Wait, Young Guns. Let's put this in a different pack. Okay. Oh, there's 3 more packs. I didn't see that one under. There's been a lot of Vegas cards. Okay, we got a McQueen rookie of Sam Steele for the Anaheim Ducks. Now we have 2 packs. It's 2 packs. 1 pack after this pack. Okay. We got McQueen rookie of Igor Oshman. Oscar for the Maple Leafs, Toronto Maple Leafs. Final pack of the box. We got one more special card. Let's see. Okay. We have a McQueen rookie, Philip Harnick for the Red Wings. Thanks for watching. Just so you don't miss any of my really good videos, just hit the subscribe button. Bye bye.